Hey guys, get comfortable because you're in Rachel's Fun Corner. And today I will be doing, this is so exciting, I haven't got one of these in a while, a squishy package video. So, I did just wake up. That is why I probably sound tired and look tired, because I am. But anyway, so yeah, I'm just putting my camera on different parts of my wall every time because I'm not sure yet. But anyway, let's just get right into this video. So basically, 3 squishies came in this package, but 2 of them were for my sisters, but I got the first choice because my aunt actually got these for us. So thank you to you, Donna. And so yeah, let's just get right on to the video. So in this video, I will be only showing the one that I'm keeping because I'm not going to be including theirs in my videos. But anyway, so yeah. So I sadly already had to open it because I had to open it in front of them. But I have not squished it yet. So this will be exciting. I've seen it, but I've not squished it. So the squishing part will be my real reaction. So here I got it, Jenna Lynn Squishies and Accessories, oh so kawaii. And then, there it is. Oh my gosh, it's a box squishy. That will look so good on my squishy wall. I love boxes. That sounds so weird. I love boxes. Okay, so here we got it, folks. The Vlampo. I'm trying to make it focus on you. Sorry for the glare. But the Vlampo cake has a little cake slice there. It is not like a cardboard box, it's like plastic. 100% natural cupcake shop. Cake by Vlampo, so this will be my second Vlampo squishy, which is extremely exciting for me. So yeah, let's just open it up. Interesting gift. Okay, so these were one of those interesting gifts, I think. OMG. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. It is so soft. What? This is unbelievable. Look at this. I'm not even pushing hard. This is amazing. Oh my goodness. I love how it comes in this plastic wrap, and I love the size of it. It actually does look bigger on camera, but I love the size of it in person. So yeah, let's just give it a squish. Oh yeah, and I'll describe it when it gets out of this bag. Oh my gosh, that is so satisfying. Super, super, super slow rising and squishy. Oh my goodness. It has sparkles on it. You guys probably can't see the sparkles. Okay, so on the top it has strawberries, and then I'm not sure what the rest of it is, really. Okay, so ooh, it smells like cereal. That's so cool. I've never had a squishy that smells like cereal. Yeah, 100%. It smells like cereal, and it smells so good. So squishy. I can't even tell you guys how squishy this is. And so slow rising. It is still rising, guys. Ready? Listen to this air. That is incredible. OMG. This is gonna go perfect on my wall. OMG, this is gonna go so well on my wall. I already know where I'm putting it. Okay guys, I already know where I'm putting this on my wall. So, ooh, it's so satisfying to squish in the plastic. Ooh, I love it. And then on the bottom, it says Vlampo, but very fadely. I don't think you guys will be able to see it. Focus. Yeah, it's very, very faded. It's right there. You guys probably can't see it. But yeah. So, oh, I love this. I just can't get over the squishiness. If you like squishies and like, oh, that's my watch. Hold on. Okay, if you like squishies and like good smelling squishies, which is like all of you guys, and really soft squishies, but not, it's actually not that soft. It is, that's what I like, I can't explain it. It's like soft dense. It's like soft dense, where it's not soft, but it feels so good. It's just perfect. I can't imagine a squishy any better. It's just perfect. It is just perfect. So yeah, the extras that I did get was a blue airhead and those gentleman stickers, but my sister stole them, don't ask. And the airhead was already eaten by my sister. So yeah, I really like the squishy. Probably my top 10, well, top 2 favorites. Probably this and my Lily Dinosaur, just my favorites. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. I am going to be on an uploading streak today. School's over. I'm usually going to upload once daily because I want to like play outside and all that. But today I'm going to just like catch up on all the tags that I've been tagged in, because I have been tagged in a lot. And I've missed like a lot of them, so I'm just going to catch up on all of them. I'm going to upload like 4 times or 5 times today. Hopefully that's my plan. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys where I'm putting this on my squishy wall, because yesterday I went live and showed you my squishy wall. Okay, so I am going to move all of this over and put it right here. Let's see if it fits. Oh, it fits perfectly. Okay, tell me if you think that looks good, guys. Right
there. Okay, guys.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this short but super exciting video. I'm sure I did. It was so exciting. I love that squishy. It's gonna be like every video. So yeah, so this is a short video. I'm gonna be uploading a lot of short videos and a lot of like medium-sized videos. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. This is video 1 on my streak. Bye guys.